Pinasalamatan ni Pangulong Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr. ang lahat ng tumulong upang maaresto ang pinatalsik na alkalde ng Bambantarlac na si Alice Guo. Sa mensahe online ng Pangulo, pinasalamatan din nito ang mga otoridad sa ng Indonesian government sa kanilang tulong upang maaresto si Guo. Iginit din ng Pangulo na ang pakikipagtulungan ng gobyerno ng Pilipinas upang maaresto ang dating alkalde. Dagdag pa ng Pangulo, maging babala umano ang pagkakaaresto ni Guo sa lahat ng pinaghahanap ng batas. Maalalang kinumpirma ng mga otoridad sa Pilipinas na naaresto si Guo sa Jakarta, Indonesia ng mga Indonesian authorities kaninang hating gabi, oras sa Jakarta. Pakinggan natin ang pahayag ni Pangulong Marcos.
Mga minamahal kong kababayan, on or about 1 o'clock a.m. 4 September, Alice Guo, also known as Guo Huaping, was arrested in Tangerang City, Jakarta, Indonesia. I congratulate all law enforcement personnel who made this apprehension possible. The public may not know the intricate details of this mission that you have successfully accomplished, but on their behalf, accept my thanks. The Philippines also thanks the Indonesian government for their assistance on this matter. The close cooperation between our two governments has made this arrest possible. Let this serve as a warning to those who attempt to evade justice. Such is an exercise in futility. The arm of the law is long, and it will reach you. This government continues in its duty to apply the rule of law. Ms. Guo shall be entitled to all legal protections due her under the laws of the land and pursuant to our commitment to the rule of law. But we will not allow this to prolong the resolution of the case, whose outcome will be a victory for the Filipino people. Thank you and good day.
At yan ang tinig ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos. Ang balitang yan ay hatid po sa atin ng fanside ng Nangan sa Candaba. Mula po dito kung saan lagi kayong kasama ang 103.1 Newsline Central Luzon. Ito po si Joe Salazar. Kasama ka, ikaw ang bida.